It can be frustrating when the battery of your Galaxy S23 drains too quickly due to high Bluetooth usage. Bluetooth connections keep the radio active in the background, which can consume extra battery. There are several common Bluetooth problems that can cause heavy battery drain, such as flaky connections, unoptimized apps, and distance from paired devices. By identifying the specific reason for Bluetooth drain, you can take steps to correct it, and that's what we're going to show you in this video. Before we proceed, kindly take a moment to give our video a thumbs up or share it with anyone who may be experiencing device-related problems. Your support is greatly appreciated. Without further ado, let's dive into our tips. Review paired devices list. Having a long list of paired devices can result in your Galaxy S23 constantly searching and connecting in the background. Prune any unused or unneeded device pairings. Launch settings, and then tap connections. On the next screen, select Bluetooth and review the list of paired devices. Tap the settings icon next to old or unused devices and select Unpair. Reducing the number of paired devices can help save battery by preventing unnecessary background connection attempts. Check connection quality. To prevent unnecessary battery drain on your S23, it's important to ensure that your Bluetooth connection is stable. If you notice your connection dropping frequently, try moving closer to the paired device or removing any obstructions that may be interfering. A strong and reliable Bluetooth connection will not only prevent battery drain, but also improve transmission power. Toggle Bluetooth off when not in use. To conserve your Galaxy S23's battery life, it's best to disable Bluetooth when not in use. Simply open the notification panel and toggle off the Bluetooth icon. This will prevent any unnecessary battery drain. Remember to only turn it on again when you need to connect to a device. Update apps and system software. Inefficient and buggy Bluetooth performance can be caused by outdated app software and firmware, resulting in excessive battery usage. It is recommended to install updates to resolve these issues. To check for and install any pending app updates, open Galaxy Store, click on the menu, then select Updates. Additionally, go to Settings and select Software Update to update your S23's firmware and security patches. Updating both apps and system software will ensure that you have access to the latest Bluetooth optimizations and fixes. Factory Reset Phone. If you continue to experience battery drain issues related to Bluetooth on your Galaxy S23, performing a factory reset can help. Before resetting, make sure to back up all your important data. To proceed with the reset, go to Settings, select General Management, then Reset, and finally Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This will erase all data on your phone and reset it to its original state, which can often resolve persistent battery issues. By doing this, you can eliminate any buggy software or app conflicts that may be causing excessive Bluetooth battery usage. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.